What we have here is an Evergo. It is an S-vent Evergo. The name of this fan is unknown. The model number is 4P-5LW. This is a 42-inch fan. S-vents, kind of mimicking the Homestead Whisper Fan 2. Fan has a green cast aluminum motor, and as you can kind of see here, it also has an ornate cap. The bell canopy is not original. No, what this one probably had was one of those two-piece plastic low-profile bell canopies. Well, that was missing, so I had to make do. This fan, I would think, dates to either 83 or 84. One of those 2 years. Because it has a one of the narrow switch housings, which with the larger vents in the top, indicative of, you know, a later form. So this is probably 83, 84, maybe 85. So, yeah, the blades to it are very narrow. But they have a 15-degree pitch. So this is one of those fans that likely works more off of pitch than speed. So let's see how it performs. It has a bit of a running moan to it. This fan appears as though it was never really used. It looks like it was, you know, taken out of the box. You know, they tried it, tested it, and realized, oh, we don't want it. So they put it away in storage. So, this is basically brand new. Out of the box, basically. Bearings are a little stiff. They need time to break in. The low speed is average for a 42-inch fan. It's not too slow, but it's not super fast. Anyway, let's see how it performs on medium. There's a slight wobble. Nothing too severe, though. It's starting to move air now. Anyway. I'll do high. The high speed is not particularly fast. mainly due in part because of the steep blade pitch. However, it is faster than some 42-inch fans, but it's just slightly above average, really. These don't seem to surface very often. I basically had a friend of mine pick this up somewhere west of Nashville, or no, somewhere in Tennessee. And he told me while I was on the road, that it was missing its mounting bits. So I was like, that's an issue. Try to get a discount. And I think he did. And anyway, so I stopped at a Habitat, or Have-A-Crap as I normally call them, just east of Schittsburg. So I get there, it's a freaking gold mine. Like, if they part out a fan, if it's not sellable, they part it out to the max. They had various parts, blades, blade irons, pull chains, capacitors, reverse switches, I think canopies, I already said that, but mounting brackets, everything, you name it, they had it. And they had a canopy, which turns out to match this fan's finish perfectly, so that's well and good. This is the first Evergo that I've gotten that has a 42-inch cast aluminum motor. It's a slightly downsized version of what they had in the 52-inch fans in the early to mid-80s. So. It's actually not stupid noisy when it hits high speed. The harmonics seem like they're more noticeable on the lower speeds. Turn it off. And because the bearings still have to break in, the spin down time is very short. But yeah, there you have it. An Evergo S-Vent 4P-5LW.